right. Hey guys, today we are going to look at Red Team Go required documents here. So what the required documents are going to be for, this is a default area and it is where you can say, hey, on most of my projects, 90% of my project, this is what I require for my subcontractors to submit to me before they come on a job or before we start billing. They're also project specific and you can change and update those as you go. And we'll go ahead and jump into that default information here. Let me turn on my pointer. So first, what we'll go to, this is Red Team Go, and this is our home page here. What we're going to go to is to our name, over to administration. Once we're in here, we're going to go to default settings. Project document settings here. As we go in, we're going to come down to required documents here at the bottom. And so this is documents that we require on our particular projects here. Over to the top right-hand side, we can click add required document here. And we're going to put in a name. This is where you can put in your certificate of insurance here, your I-9, any other safety policies, things like that. We'll label this one I-9. Here, you'll need to attach a file. I put I-9, but we'll just select this W-9 here. And we can update this here. And so here at the bottom, you can add in any comments that you need to add here. You also have the option of saying where you want to require this. So the first one is subcontracting, saying that before the contract is awarded, you need this documentation. You also have the option of saying sub-billing. Before the sub-bills can be created, this is when you would want this. You also have the ability here to say NA. We'll go ahead with contracting here and click save. Now we have this information in here. And now what we can do is go into a project and see what that would look like and show you there. I'll go here to the top and go to this project here. In our project, we'll go on the far left-hand side to project documents. And we'll go to required documents. Inside of required documents, this is where you can also add any additional documents. And the document that we just entered in will be listed here as you go through and create your particular projects. This is one that I did just create right before this particular webinar. So we do have this one in here and it will show up. Whenever you need to, you'll be able to click send over to our far right-hand side here to be able to send this out to your subs for them to be able to submit it. As you can see, the one here at the top shows that we've received 1 of 4 for our general liability on our subs here. I do want to show you what your subcontractors would see when they sign into the portal. So give me. So here, make this a little smaller. You see your required documents here. They can go down to that particular project. Here it is. And we see these particular ones. This is the one that you saw me that I told you I previously selected here, and they'll be able to see that they could import and submit this. They'll also get an email once you update that and you add that particular one where they can go ahead and see that in the system also. And I can show you that also. So this is the email that will be created that says that everything subcontractor is this is to them, showing that this is what you'll need, the sample document that you put there, and they'll also have this link to actually submit this documentation. We'll go ahead and end our webinar here today. Thank you for your time today, guys. We really appreciate it.